Another hot one out today. Got a no cool thermostat, no fan, no nothing. I think we got another drain line bandit. Hopefully it's not another X13 motor. Finally got one with power out by the condenser. Nothing. Go figure. Let's see if we got power here. Come on now. Jeez. I don't know what we got going on here. Man. Gonna have to use the mighty pump. Jeez. Yeah, flow goes that way. See what we get. Oh, look at that. Kicked right. Oh, nasty. Another drain line. Hoping I can get power out here. Looks like they got a gopher tortoise underneath the slab of this house. Jeez. Woo! Oh, that's a slab leak. Man. Look at the schmegma coming out of there. Oh. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.